You sure this is the right place?
Trust me, if you want to make a video about passing a driving test, this is the place to go.
I'm a little nervous.
Oh, don't worry. DMV people are friendly.
Well, they can't keep you from getting your license, though.
Only if you're not a safe driver. The manager's expecting us. Oh, let's ask that person over there.
I agree. Let's send this to Sacramento.
Thanks.
Hi, we're looking for Miss Hunter.
That's me. How can I help you?
We're making a video for the Foothill High television class.
Oh, yes. Mr. Thompson's class. He told me you'd be here. You're...
I'm Sandy, and,
Hi, I'm Brendan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Melissa. What can I do for you?
well, we'd just like to show people how to prepare for a driving test.
Excellent idea, Sandy. We could use a video like that. Let's go talk to one of my examiners.
Okay.
Hi, Dan.
Hi, Melissa.
I have some visitors who'd like to talk to you.
Great.
This is Sandy,
Hi.
Hi.
and this is Brandon.
Hello.
Hi.
They're making a video about the driving test. They'd like some tips on how to prepare.
Sure. What part of the test? Road signs, lane markings, speed control,
Yeah, sounds good.
turns and intersections,
That too.
safe driving practices.
Whatever you have time for.
Tell you what, how about if I show you what you need to know?
Great. How do we do that?
Let's go for a drive.
Okay.
Where's your car?
That way.
Great. Thanks, Melissa.
I'll see
Let's
you guys
go.
later. Bye.
Bye, Miss Hunter.